Hi! Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you, and today I'm gonna dye my hair pink. I have my supplies over here. These are all from Big N. They kind of gave this to me a long time ago. I haven't really used it until now because I was reserving it for the right time where it had like the perfect blonde. I would say this is like the perfect blonde that I want. So kind of want to do it right now because I'm not doing anything and I don't have anything to do. I really wanted to color my hair pink for a very long time, ever since Jungkook had pink hair, and unfortunately my hair wasn't blonde enough at that time, but here we are. Anyway, we're gonna try and see what happens. Kind of aiming for that hair color or if possible this hair color, but if anything I just want my hair to be pink at the end. But yeah, I'm wearing this not so good looking shirt right now because this is like my hair dyeing shirt, which I use all the time when I dye my hair. Let's get started. Then my nice old bangs, I'm gonna put them aside like that. So I'm honestly just winging this right now. I don't really know what I'm planning to do. The first thing I'm thinking of doing is putting conditioner onto this bowl that my mom gave me. Just like putting conditioner on there and then putting the hair dye on there. I have these shades Coral and Passion Pink. I'm just gonna combine them together so that I can throw them out. Here we are, kids. Yeah. I'm sorry I'm preparing this off camera. It's just really hard for me to angle my camera properly when my table's a mess and I don't want to fix it, so yeah. I've only put in one packet, but I think I'm gonna put all three. This is much harder than it looks because I have gloves on. And conditioner is really slippery. Here's all the conditioner that we have, and now I'm gonna put on the pink dye. Oh, this is really bright. I'm scared. I'm gonna show you guys. I don't even know which one to use. Okay, so far it's turning out fine. Oh yeah, the reason why I put conditioner in is because I wanted to make it lighter than the original, so that's why. That's the tip, kids. Add conditioner to the mix if you're ever gonna dye your hair like this, so that it won't be a little like too vibrant for your liking. Now I'm gonna put Passion Pink. It's really red. Whoa, this is dark. This is like a purpley looking color. I wonder what happens if I mixed both. So I'm scared at the same time. I want to surprise myself and just like wish for the best, honestly. Nothing in this video is planned. I don't even have a mic on today. So I'm putting both of them together like right now. Hooray for spontaneity, right guys? I'm gonna add more conditioner because it's looking a little too bright for my liking. My god, what did I do? If anything, I just hope it doesn't go out this bright because look at that. I'm gonna try and fix this by adding more conditioner. So I scavenged my entire house to look for conditioner and I found this, so I'm just adding it into that because it is really vibrant and I'm not feeling the vibrant color right now because I wanted to do this for Valentine's Day because it's pink, you know. So far it got a little lighter, but it's not as light as I want it to. So it's super full right now. That means I have to start soon. Here we go, kids. Whoa, can't even see that well right now because I'm just looking through the viewfinder and like I have a mirror also right here. Comparison, this side and this side. I've never dyed my hair by myself ever, so this is gonna be a flop. That's a lesson learned to have somebody else do it for you. This is really bright. It's kind of scary. Side note, my parents don't even know that I'm doing this right now, so yay. So far, I'm not really hating it, but I still have a lot of hair. I don't know how it is in the back, but I don't think I'd be coloring it, so we'll just go for that. I don't even know what it looks like there. So once I'm looking at this while I'm editing, I'm gonna be like, oh, you missed a huge spot there, Gabby. What if I just pour the entire bowl onto my head? Oh yeah, I was talking about how I wanted to do this during Valentine's season but I'm doing it kind of early to make it before Valentine's Day. But like, I just want to tell y'all that you don't need to have a Valentine for Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day is a day for capitalism and for people to show their love to people in material form. So a lot of people are subscribing to me, I noticed. So to those new people, hi, I'm Gabby. Some weird fact about me is that I was a Grace and Chance fan at one point of my life. What else? These days I've been watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine. It's funny. I recommend it to everyone. Good comedy if you like. I've been taking a break on watching anime and Korean dramas these days because the Korean drama scene and also anime scene gets me really hooked and addicted. Look at my hair. Yay. As I was saying, the Korean drama scene is really addicting, and like once you start, you can't stop watching Korean dramas. So that's why I decided to not do it for now, like to not watch anything. So far, how does it look? I can't really tell. Oh yeah, these days my skin has been really great because I have been seeing a dermatologist for a while, like a month or two, and she really fixed my skin up, but I still do have like a bunch of problems like hyperpigmentation and breakouts every now and then, but I think it's because of stress overall. I'm just really stressed these days. Life is not at its peak, to be honest. Also, my driver's test is coming in a few months, I would say. I think I'm gonna have it in March on my birthday, so I think I'm gonna vlog that day. Stay tuned for that. So far I still have a lot of hair dye. It's been 20 something minutes since I started. Haven't been doing anything fun. I like hanging out with people. It's just that I don't have anybody to hang out with. So if you want to hang out with me, hit me up. Right now I've been thinking of cutting my hair like short, kind of pixie I guess, or a really short bob. I have no idea as of now, but I just wanted to do something different for my hair because I've been doing the same thing for a while. Oh yeah, I'm about to turn 17. If you guys don't know, I'm 16 right now. So far, only my younger sister knows that I'm doing this, and also my older sister, but they don't know what it's gonna look like after I finish it. I'm trying to finish all of these up because it's kind of a lot, and I finished like covering up my entire head just now. So I'm just gonna put this all over it and I'll wait for 25 minutes, I think, for it to soak, and then I'll wash it off and you'll see the final thing. Oh yeah, I wanted to talk about my New Year's resolutions. So one of my New Year's resolutions is to do something spontaneous like this. So I want to do something random, very out of the box, unexpected, stuff like that. So this is one of the things. It's checked off the list. My next resolution would be to read more. I love reading in general, but these days I just don't have time for it. For the end of the year is to be able to read at least 3 to 5 books. I usually do that. Nowadays I just can't. I just don't have time anymore because of SATs, work, school. So I just don't have that much free time. Another resolution that I wanted to achieve this year is to be able to minimize my stuff and to begin supporting sustainable fashion. I feel like ever since I was young, I've never been open to sustainable fashion, like thrift shopping, buying expensive clothing for multiple uses and to use it for a long time. I never really saw it that way. I've only been aware of fast fashion, but I watched this documentary last year, The True Cost. It was on Netflix, and I guess it opened my eyes on how the prices of items go. The price point of a clothing item would usually be given to people who made it, but those people who made it like in fast fashion stores like Forever 21, H&M, they don't really get paid that much compared to like people here in America like me who get paid $8 an hour, whereas they possibly could get paid like $8 a day or something, or even less, which is worse. So that makes me really sad, and that made me really decide to like do something about it, and I guess go to the thrift shops more. And like this year I've just been like really into thrifting and stuff like that. I guess thrifting also possibly lessen the trash or clothing going to landfills, so that's why I want to thrift more, do more videos like that. Actually, yesterday I went to a nearby thrift store because in my town we had a special event where high schoolers would be able to shop at the town thrift store for free, like the entire store for free. I got a lot of stuff, so I think I'm gonna show you guys that next. I know that I'm a teenager and that teenagers can't do much in the world, but I'm trying to change my impact to the world by doing these things, at least, so that at least in my way I could be helping someone. One of my last goals for the year is to actually learn a language. I don't know how to learn a language, to be honest, because like in school I'm learning Italian, but I want to learn something different like Korean or Chinese or Japanese, and so I kind of want to pursue it in that sense. I'm doing it with some friends of mine from school because they also would like to learn a new language. So I'm done dyeing my hair. Now we're gonna wait. Set a timer for 25 minutes.
For 25 minutes.
I'll turn off the camera, wait for 25 minutes, and I'll see you after the break. So literally as I was about to show you guys the result, my camera died. I really like it. It's not as bright as it seems on camera, like on the viewfinder. I'm looking at it right now. In person, it looks like Lava Girl hair color. Kind of resembles what I was aiming for anyway. So yeah, anyway, that wraps up pretty much the video. I hope you guys liked watching me dye my hair and also chit-chatting with me. But thanks for staying tuned and watching my videos. It really means a lot because I feel like somebody's listening to me. I like that, and I appreciate all of you, everyone who's watching this. Thank you for watching. Anyway, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't yet. I'm gonna go check this footage and see if it's trash or not. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys keep growing. Bye. 거칠은 폭풍 우디 햇살 비치듯이 Life falling